As a single person, you might be thinking, why do I need estate planning? I don't have kids, I don't have a spouse I need to take care of. But estate planning can be even more important when you're single. If you don't make decisions about who receives your assets when you pass away, the state decides that for you. The courts, through a process called probate, figure out who your closest relatives are, and that is where your assets go. If the court can't find your closest relatives, then your assets go to the state. You can leave your assets to whomever you want, to friends, to family members, to charities, and there's no reason that you shouldn't choose where your assets go when you're gone. Even more important for a single person to have an estate plan is to make decisions about what happens while you're alive. When you create an estate plan, you create a power of an attorney and an advanced healthcare directive. Those are where you make decisions on who handles your legal and financial affairs and who makes medical decisions for you if you become unable to make them yourself. As a single person, it's especially important that you're making these choices and talking to the people that you choose so they would know what your wishes are if something were to happen to you. Without these documents in place, somebody has to go to court to get the ability to manage your assets for you and to make medical decisions for you. It makes everything so much easier if you've made those decisions yourself and let those folks know that they're your medical decision makers. A trust can also be really useful for single folks. A trust gives you even more control over where your assets go, and it supports you during life if you become incapacitated as well. If you're wealthy, irrevocable trust might help with avoiding taxes, estate taxes, or with asset protection. So it's definitely something to be considered when you're considering an overall estate plan. If you're making your way through the world alone at this point in time, that doesn't mean that estate planning isn't for you. In fact, estate planning is especially valuable when you don't have a partner, because you don't have somebody there automatically to make those decisions for you and support you in that way. You can pick how to support yourself, and it's a great thing to do. If you'd like to chat more about how estate planning can help even the single folks, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to chat.